Hey there, plant lovers! Welcome back to the Succulents Box YouTube channel. We're diving into the wonderful world of growing succulents as bonsais. This is a fantastic way to keep your plants small and charming, especially if you're living in a cozy apartment or simply want to add a touch of miniaturized beauty to your space. Ready to get started? Let's go! Why are succulents such a great choice for bonsai? Well, succulents come from arid regions, so they're naturally tough. They've evolved to handle harsh conditions, like rocky soil and inconsistent watering. This makes them perfect for the bonsai lifestyle. To kick things off, you need to pick the right succulent. Look for plants that are healthy and well-established with compact growth. Some great choices are Crassula ovata obliqua, sedums like sedum green jelly beans, aeoniums, and graptovarias, such as ghost plants. These succulents typically have smaller spaces between their leaves and branches, which is perfect for creating that classic bonsai look. Next up is pruning. This is where you get to shape your bonsai. Start by removing some of the leaves. Use tweezers, a small blade, or even your fingers. You'll want to encourage a Y-shaped branching structure with small, proportionate spaces between the stems and leaves. Regular pruning helps keep your succulent in that desired bonsai shape and keeps it looking neat and tidy. All right, now let's move on to wiring. This step involves wrapping a stiff wire or string or clamps around parts of your succulent and bending them into shape. Start with the main trunk and then work on the branches. Remember, take it slow. Doing this in stages will help your plant adjust to its new form without too much stress. Shaping the trunk first is key to achieving that classic bonsai appearance. Caring for bonsai succulents. First off, watering. This is super important for maintaining your bonsai's size and health. Use a well-draining soil mix designed for cacti and succulents. Water only when the soil is completely dry. Overwatering can lead to rot, so it's better to let the soil dry out before giving your plant another drink. Good drainage is a must, so make sure your pot has holes to let excess water escape. When it comes to lighting condition, succulents need plenty of light to stay healthy and compact. If your plant isn't getting enough light, it might become etiolated, meaning it'll stretch out and grow taller as it searches for more light. Ideally, place your bonsai in a spot where it gets at least 4 to 6 hours of indirect bright sunlight each day. The third tip is for repotting. Over time, your bonsai succulent might outgrow its pot and look a bit unbalanced. When that happens, it's time to move it to a new shallow container. This helps keep the plant small and balanced while providing fresh, nutritious soil. Repotting also gives you a chance to check the health of the roots and refresh the soil. Since bonsai succulents usually grow in shallow containers, trimming the roots isn't always necessary. However, if the roots have grown too long or large and you need to trim them for aesthetic reasons, make sure to remove the plant from the soil and let the wounds dry completely before replanting. This helps prevent any issues with root rot and ensures your plant stays healthy. Finally, let's talk about presentation. To really make your bonsai succulent stand out, consider decorating the base. You can cover the soil with moss, rocks, sand, or small pebbles. Not only does this improve the visual appeal, but it also helps with soil moisture and adds a natural touch to your bonsai. And there you have it, our guide to growing and caring for succulents as bonsais. We hope you found these tips helpful when you start your succulent bonsai journey. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to give us a thumbs up and hit that subscribe button for more plant care tips and tricks. Do you have any questions or need more advice? Drop them in the comments below. We'd love to hear from you. Thanks for watching and happy bonsai gardening.
For more, you can find us at succulentsbox.com or on YouTube, TikTok, Facebook, Instagram, and Pinterest.